Alright, welcome back to this tutorial. We're going to discuss the test. This follows the theoretical series, the theoretical part. I'm going to go to O4. Now, this is going to be about the O4 is the O4 for the it's not the lesson O4, but it's the O4 exercise that we have, and it's in that order, okay? And it's the set of practicals that we've had, or the practicals that we've had. This is the O4, and normally the O4 according to the lesson, okay? So yeah, we're gonna run this one and talk of the test very quickly. So I'm going to import my Qt Quick 2.10, import Qt Quick .controls 2.3, import Qt Quick layout 1.3, and this we're gonna use. You saw we did use the rectangle in the previous tutorial. So like we're building on top of what we're studying. I do the width 720 again, and the height 460, 480, and I'll go down and I'll do a rectangle. Let's just not leave everything flat like that. I'll just close to the rectangle. I'll just do a width of say 360, height, or I will go at the height of say 240. Let me do another 360. 480. Let me change this to I'm a bit confused over here. But I want to work with proportions, so yeah, I'll do color of Georgia blue over here, and I'll change this color back to the stock color. Copy and use the stock color. Now I will put in the test. So here's how you create a test. You create a test. It's actually a camera type test, and then you put in the test. Of course, it's a basic way, and then normally you have a test like it's or normally you have a test like thank God in there, and we're gonna run it. If you do, I'm gonna go into the PyQt folder. I already have navigated to PyQt folder. I will run QMOC. There you can see now. There nothing else in the Anchor. We're going to use the Anchor today too. Now you can see our test right here, very tiny over there. Thank God. So yes, we're gonna do an Anchor center in on the parent rectangle, and yes, we're also gonna do an Anchor the center in. Maybe we should do horizontal center. Here in the horizontal center. Now run the game, and now you can see we just did a horizontal center for the test, but we did a center in for the parent. And you can it also has a color attribute. I just make it white. You can see I'll change the font size. You change the font size. I think you saw it in our very first practical. It's font of pixel size. It's giving me now, and that's what's good. One thing that's good about using an ID that gives you syntax highlighting and it's a bit bigger. But I have lorem ipsum, on the test. I'm going to copy the very first one, and I will copy it and put it a test, and it's a log. Okay, now you can see how many we have. Now here's where we discuss it. There you can see it just stretch across like that. Look at that. Of course, that's not what we want. The test is in this container, but it's just going away. We're gonna do something that's called wrap. We're gonna go into wrap mode. We're gonna do a test dot wet wrap, and it's gonna wrap. The wet wrap won't work unless, of course, you have a wet specified and a wet. I'm gonna make it the parent the wet. Alright, and now that I have a parent the wet, it's wrapping nicely. You can see it's wrapping on the wet. It's breaking on the wet, and this one too is flopping. There's also, if you didn't want it to wrap, you could have also done a clip, and it's just a boolean, and now you can see it just clips everything. It starts from here and it clips everything. That's if you didn't want it to wrap. It's beautiful for us because sometimes you just want a one-liner, and there's no. And if you really want a one-liner, I will just do this, and I will do there's something called an elite, which is a test. The elite. First do the left so that you understand. I think doing the left better. So now you can see the elite if you want a one-liner, and these are the very last one of the lower. I don't know if I saw that. You see, this is the last one. The place right aqua tempo. Here, you can see, and then it has elided on the left. It is added those 3 dots, and the elide won't work unless, of course, you have a specified width. You can elide vertically. So then you have an elide right, which is probably the most common. Maybe the elide middle is, you can see, we'll do an elide middle. Maybe the elide middle is the most common. For file names, you normally see the elide middle. Because the beginning, because the end. And so that's for the elide, and that's for the wrap. The wrap, you can actually wrap on word, or you could just say dot wrap, and the worst, it's just gonna wrap anywhere. It's wrapping. It's not just breaking on the word, it's breaking on just about anything if that's what you want. And so you can see I took away my my clip. I just increased the height of this guy because I think I have just such a small height, and now everything is fitting. There's also something called padding. I have an unconstant horizontal center. I will take it away and I'll show it to you how it looks like without a horizontal center. It was too small for my horizontal center to even work. So I will do I'll do the pattern. And the pattern takes a number. So this is 14. I'll change it to 12. It works for all of them, left, right, top. I still have a very small, I messed up with my messing up with me. Now you can see my pattern for this side. It's too small and my thing is too flopping. I set it to 540. I'll change my pattern to a very huge number, 36. Now you can see the pattern over here. it's not just the padding over here, it's the padding everywhere, but you can see it on the left as well. It's the padding, it's over here, it's over there. I even take it away and do a left, a top pattern, because you can do that. You can do a top pattern, bottom pattern, side pattern, and now you can see the bottom pattern over there. It's only bottom pattern. I think this part is a strip space that we have, and I'm still having problems with my width and my height. I will change it to 640. And the last part I want to talk about is a font, the family. I want to discuss the font, the family, which is actually the font. You can actually use Sequoia UI. I'm sure it's available, at least for Windows users I know. If it's not available, wait, I'll show you a way around it. Sequoia UI is to be recommended for apps. You can see it's not really the best. But then outside files comes to the font folder. So if it's in file folder, you start by referencing, giving the link to the where the font is installed. And so this is a relative part. It doesn't start with a drive name and all that. And so you just go into it and say Roboto regular .ttf, give the full path to it, and you run it, and you see your Roboto. This is going to be the last time I'm going to talk about now. There'll be more we have to discuss. We will discuss this, and like also the font, the pixel size can also be handled this way. We can do a font, and then we can do a pixel size 36 or 24. I think that's all we're gonna discuss for this tutorial. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.